Dear student, I am going to show you the very unique things that grown in an aquarium which is maintained since last 6 to 7 months. You can see the lamina duckweed, that is the floating smallest angiosperms in the world, flowering plants found all over the world in fresh waters. And heterocyprus, that is the crustaceans, you can say that which belong to the phylum Arthropoda, class Crustacea, family Malacostraca. And one unique things, on 17th of August, I noticed along with my students of MSc and part 1 and part 2 oceanography and endocrinology, that on 25th March, I introduced freshwater sponge Eunapius carteri in this aquarium, which we are observing. You can see the green, dark film of well-grown duckweeds or lamina on my hand, also on my fingers, and on this you can see that I am holding in my hand. And as soon as I throw them, they will again form their layer on side. And the things I was telling you, that the freshwater sponge is developed in this sponge, this aquarium, with the help of asexual reproductive body, that is gemmules. And that's the great thing. I think Mr. Bob, you have posted his video long back on YouTube channel, that he was shown this the development of a sponge in an aquarium which he was maintained. So I will tell my student to record that sponge development, how it is developed from the gemmules, which was fallen into the soil after the death of degradation of the original sponge Eunapius carteri. Actually, one of the student, Asar Arafat from Pondicherry University, is doing his PhD, and he came in Maharashtra for collecting these specimens under the guidance of Dr. Joseph Selvin from Pondicherry University, Department of Microbiology. So I am clearing this water for taking the photograph of freshwater sponge which is propagated from the gemmules, that is asexual reproductive bodies, first time in this zoology research laboratories, which is under maintained by Department of Zoology and under Dr. Kakavipure, and many students are doing research in this. So you can focus here that bodies which is seen below. I will point out that bodies with help of this plant only, aquatic plant, so that you can able to see. I was just pointing that, and you can see that these are the freshwater sponges which are developed inside this. Here you can see the gemmules which are scattered. They are brownish in color, and by means of which this is the artificial plant nearby, and you can see this is the many bunch of gemmules, brownish color. They are totally developed for ready for propagation to form the sponge. As you can see, this is one of the bird of sponge.